Don't bother it. See how they both trying to focus on it? If I put them inside, they gonna eat it.
Hey guys. Well, do you know what I'll do? I'll eat you. I'll eat you. Oh, no, you won't because I'm not coming near you.
Oh, yes, I will eat you.
Oh, no, you won't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't get up. There it goes. It's going away. Cut it off. Yeah?
They want to eat this bird so bad.
Hello. Well, why are you videotaping me? Hey, hello, Mr. Bearded Dragon. Oh my god, it's two of you guys. You didn't tell me I was going to be meeting two. Um, I think they're interested in eating me. I don't. Oh my god. Help.
I gotta zoom up on this.
Okay. Okay. I see somebody in the mirror. It looks like me. Oh, I don't look pretty enough to be eaten. I do not want to be eaten. Okay?
Hey, Bob, is that, what I think it is?
Oh, yes, this is who I am. My name is Snowdrop, and you're not going to eat me.
Well, if you don't want us to eat you, then why are you hanging out at our place?
I was just checking out my beak stick. My beak, you know what they call lipstick for humans? My beak stick. Anyway, I'm not looking over at you guys anymore. You make me sick. Oh, and who's this guy filming us? Uh,
And who's the guy filming us?
I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Look up here. Let's see. I see a darn fox foot or something above my head. Okay, what kind of place is this? Boy, oh boy, do you need to clean your room.
Hey, Bob, want to come over here and talk to us? Snowdrop is your name?
Yes, my name is Snowdrop, not Snowball.
Well, come over here and let us talk to you, babe. You sure got some nice tail feathers there.
I'm not, I'm not used to such stupid comments.
Um,
Will you please, if you're going to videotape me, please stop turning the camera, please? And who are those two dudes that keep staring at me over there?
well, my name is Fred. My name is, oh man, check out that snowball. Oh,
My name is not Snowball. I told you that. It's Snowdrop.
okay, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me just pinch on your boom boom there. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here.
Oh, let me shake it for you, baby. I can shake it. Yeah, shake it, booty. I shake my booty for ya. I shake my booty for ya. I like to shake my booty for ya. Shake my. Ooh, I don't know. Look at that butt. Looks a little bony to me.
Oh, no, Bob. I think she would be delicious.
Okay, look, guys. I think I might want to leave. I shake my booty for you. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. I shake it. Ah, yeah. I'm gonna go up here and see what's happening up here. Okay. I see myself in the mirror, and I look so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, I wonder if I eat this cord, would it shock me? Oh, okay. Well, hey guys, what do you think? You don't have to post it enough to them to show that there's two bearded dragons in there. It wouldn't be of any use. Anyway,
Okay, guys, this is hilarious. My bird flew up. See this box right here? My bird flew over here on the box, and the lizards are trying to eat it. I thought it was pretty hilarious. So I got 2 lizards and 1 bird. There's 2 lizards versus 1 bird. So this is hilarious. I thought maybe I wanted to. I thought I'm gonna post this on YouTube to show y'all this is kind of funny. Okay. In my next video, I'm gonna be doing the same thing. But that was hilarious.